We can also analyze the band waveguide with Lumerical Mode. Actually, in Lumerical Mode, we can do modal analysis and propagation loss calculation. We can do overlap analysis. So actually, we can calculate the overlap between the mode in the straight waveguide and a mode in a band waveguide, as you see in this picture. Like this is for a straight waveguide, and this is like band waveguide. Just we can calculate the the mode overlap between these two modes. So, and also, so we can calculate the total loss. Actually, the total loss, as you see here in this picture, calculated by overlap mismatch and radiation loss in a bent section. So we can calculate by following formula, like -2 in interface, multiply 10 log. So we have the overlap percentage from the mode analysis, and we have a band length, and we have a propagation loss. Then we can calculate the total loss. So let's go and do some simulation with Lumerical Mode. So in the Lumerical Mode, as you see in this picture, as you see in this GUI, so we designed the waveguide before with Lumerical Mode. And like here, this is our substrate. Our substrate is SiO2. And this is our waveguide. Our waveguide is silica. So this is our solver, FDE. It's 2DZ normal. And so the boundary condition is PML. And so let's run the simulation. And in the modal analysis, just we focus on like 1.5, for instance, wavelengths of 1.5. Number of trial modes is 20. So let's click the calculate modes. So we are waiting to find a mode for a straight waveguide. Then we will save this mode. Let's move this one. So this is actually our mode. So this is a real part of effective index. This is the imaginary part. And this is a loss value. So if we look at the log scale and plot in a new window, and go to the setting and control bar and change like to -6 or -7, like we can see a good no like light in the simulation region. So it's mean that so our simulation region is good. So let's save this mode actually in deck. So just we can right click on the highlighted part and select add selected node to global deck. So then I will change to this band waveguide and like change the band radius to like 3 micrometer. And so now we then press the calculate mode to calculate the mode for the band waveguide. So in the band waveguide, so let's check the log scale again. So plot in a new window, setting, color map, for instance, -7. So now I think it's good. So for our simulation region it's good enough. So let's close the window and So we can do some overlap analysis. And the overlap analysis, I can select the mode that I saved at the D card before and do calculate overlap. So we can see that a good overlap between like straight and waveguide analysis. So there is a good knowledge base articles regarding the PN calculation with Lumerical Mode at the Ansys website. So